Okay students, let's start a new chapter. That is the second chapter of class 10, that is polynomial. Last year you have already covered this chapter in your class 9. So let's start. Okay, there are certain different terminologies like variable, degrees. Variables you know very well, that is unknown number, and we represent those unknown numbers in assuming manner like A, B, C up to Z. Okay, these all are called variables. Clear? Next topic is degree. Degree of polynomial. That is also covered by you in your previous class. Let me explain with one more example of that is 3x raised to 4 minus 4x square plus 9. Here we have a polynomial which has three terms: first term, second term, third term. The power of first term is 4. The power of second term is 2. And the power of last term, that is also called constant term, is 0. So among these three powers, the maximum power is 4. So 4 is called degree of that given polynomial. क्लियर? इन शॉर्ट जितने भी टर्म्स होते हैं ना, हर एक टर्म का इंडिविजुअल पावर चेक करो और उनमें से जो भी पावर सबसे ज्यादा हो, that becomes the degree of that polynomial. Clear? The definition is already given in your textbook. The highest power of x in P of x is called the degree of the polynomial. Here we have some examples. For example, a polynomial in y, 2y square, 2y square minus 3y plus 4. The highest power is 2. So the degree of this polynomial is 2. There are certain other examples you can refer. Okay, now various types of polynomial. Okay, types of polynomial are determined by the degree of that polynomial. मीन्स वो किस टाइप का है, अगर वो डिसाइड करना है, वी हैव टू लुक फॉर द डिग्री ऑफ दैट पॉलिनोमियल. क्लियर? अकॉर्डिंग टू दोस टर्म्स, अ पॉलिनोमियल ऑफ ए डिग्री 1 इज कॉल्ड अ लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल. इन शॉर्ट, जिस पॉलिनोमियल का डिग्री 1 हो वो क्या कंसीडर करोगे? लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल. एग्जांपल इज देयर 2x minus 3. Two terms. The power of x is 1. Power of 3 is 0. Highest power is 1. So it is called linear polynomial. Okay. After linear, one more type is there, and that is quadratic polynomial. Quadrate. Yes. The word quadratic derived from the word quadrate. Quadrate means square. तो इन शॉर्ट जिस पोलिनोमियल का डिग्री 2 हो that is called quadratic polynomial. Example is here, 2x square plus 3x minus 2 by 5. Highest power is 2. So 2 becomes the degree of the polynomial, and that is why it is quadratic polynomial. Few more examples are there. You can refer. Last one, cubic polynomial. Now you have got an idea about the polynomial. Cubic means degree of polynomial is 3. That is called cubic polynomial. Okay. Last year you have added one more type, that is biquadratic. Biquadratic means a polynomial which has a power, in fact degree of polynomial, a polynomial which has a degree of polynomial is 4 is called biquadratic. This isn't in your syllabus, that is for your just kind information. Okay, let's move to further. Okay, most important word, zeros. Zeros. The meaning of zero, that is already explained by me in your previous class. Let me explain you again. Zero means if I put the value of that number in any polynomial and in the simplification becomes 0, that number is considered the zero of that polynomial. Let me explain the example. For example, one polynomial is given, p of x is equal to 5x minus 10. We have one polynomial, it is linear polynomial in fact, and if x is given 2, let me substitute x with 2, means जहाँ जहाँ x है वहाँ आपको 2 रख देना है. 5 into the value of x is given 2 minus 10, the answer is 0. So if the simplification becomes 0, we can say 2 is a 0 of 5x minus 10. Clear? Okay. Linear polynomial has only one zero. लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल का एक ही जीरो होता है. क्लियर? जीरो मीन्स ऐसा नंबर, वो जो वैल्यू में सब्स्टिट्यूट करो पॉलिनोमियल में, तो सिंप्लीफिकेशन जीरो आना चाहिए. अगर जीरो आ जाए तो वो उसका जीरो बन जाता है. क्लियर? एक एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पे दिया एक और, p of x is equal to 2x plus 3. क्लियर? अब इसका ना जीरो फाइंड करना है. जीरो दिया नहीं है. p of x is equal to 2x plus 3. Zero isn't given. We have to find out zero. एक स्टेटमेंट लिख रहा हूं जो आप सबको लिखना है. To find out zero, compare the given polynomial. Compare the given polynomial with zero. जीरो अगर फाइंड करना हो तो जो भी पॉलिनोमियल है मेरे पास, चाहे वो लीनियर हो, क्वाड्रेटिक हो या क्यूबिक हो, जो भी हो, इसको हम लोग जीरो के साथ क्या कर देंगे, कंपेयर कर लेंगे. तो 2x plus 3 को जीरो के साथ कंपेयर करो. we will get the value of x, that is minus 3 by 2. So we can say minus 3 by 2 is a 0 of 2x plus 3. Clear? Okay. General form of linear polynomial is ax plus b. So ax plus b is a general form of our linear polynomial where a does not equals to 0. You have to write down this thing in your notebook. Though it is given in your textbook, you have to write down in your text notebook. Okay. So the general form of a linear polynomial is ax plus b where a doesn't equals to 0. Okay. Okay. 0 of the linear polynomial is given minus b by a. Zero of the linear polynomial is given minus b by a. How has it derived? वो भी समझा देता हूँ. जनरल फॉर्म है ax प्लस b. अगर इसका जीरो फाइंड करना है, कंपेयर इट विद जीरो. प्लस भी हम लोग ले जाएंगे राइट साइड. इफ वी ट्रांसपोर्ट b from LHS to RHS, it becomes minus. Here a is in a relation of multiplication with x, so it moves in a division. So the value of x is derived, that is minus b by a. So minus b by a is a 0 of a linear polynomial. Clear? Okay. Okay. अब ध्यान से देखो यहाँ माइनस बी बाई ए माइनस व्हाट इज बी हियर ए एक्स प्लस बी में बी क्या है बी इज ए कांस्टेंट टर्म सो इन जनरल फॉर्म वी कैन राइट माइनस बी मीन्स कांस्टेंट टर्म. And what is a here? It is a coefficient of x. A is a coefficient of x. So in general form we can write minus constant term upon coefficient of x. This is the general form of a 0 of any linear polynomial in single variable. Clear? Okay. एग्जाम्पल के थ्रू मैं आपको थोड़ा हाईलाइट करता हूँ वापस इस पॉइंट को. जैसे एक और लेते हैं ना 4y माइनस 7. क्लियर. इसका जीरो फाइंड करते हैं ना कंपेयर इट विद जीरो. देयरफॉर 4y इज इक्वल टू माइनस 7 विल बिकम प्लस 7 एंड y इज इक्वल टू and y is equal to 7 upon 4. I can write 7 in this manner as well. अब क्यों ऐसा लिखा समझाता हूँ. Is equal to minus as it is. What is minus 7 here? Check here. Minus 7 is a constant term. And what is 4 here? 4 is a coefficient of y. कोफिशिएंट भी ऑलरेडी आ चुका है आपको. को मतलब साथ में, एफिशिएंट मतलब कनेक्टेड. तो जो नंबर वेरिएबल के साथ कनेक्टेड हो दैट इज कॉल्ड कोएफिशिएंट. क्लियर. सो द जनरल फॉर्म ऑफ दिस टाइप ऑफ लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल टू फाइंड आउट द जीरो इज माइनस कांस्टेंट टर्म अपॉन कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x, y or z, any variable is there. In general we can write minus b upon a. So this is the zero of a linear polynomial. Okay. The next topic is geometrical meaning of the zeros of a polynomial.